Take half cup chana dal. Soak it overnight. In a grinder. Grind to a paste. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of sugar. This is how consistency should be. Take 1½ onion, 1 inch garlic, 3 chilies and 5 to 6 garlic. Grind to a paste. Take half of the paste and strain it. Do not throw the liquid, add it to the rest of the paste. Add oil to a pan. Add strained paste the oil. Stir continuously, ginger tends to stick to pan. When paste is cooked, add chana dal paste. Stir continuously. Cook till the paste becomes as thick as flour dough. Oil a plate, add the dough. Roll the dough. Cut into cubes. Clean the pan, add oil. Add the cubes. Cook till they become slightly golden brown. Grind a medium-sized tomato to paste. Take Kitchen King masala, 1 teaspoon, slight turmeric powder, salt to taste, and slight sugar. Add water to this mixture. Add oil to pan. Add pinch of jeera and 1 bay leaf. Add 1 big potato, cut into pieces, fried till slightly golden brown, at low flame. Now add ginger garlic paste, cook till oil separates. Now add tomato paste. When tomato paste is cooked, add soaked dry masala. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add hot water. Cover with lid, cook on low flame till potato is cooked. Add fried chana dal cubes. Add a pinch of garam masala. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Dhokar Dalna is now ready.